Hello everyone and welcome back to our interior design series. Today, we have an exciting project ahead of us, transforming a dining room with a fireplace into a cozy and stylish space. We'll be using a variety of components to achieve this. So, grab your notepads, and let's get started. First things first, let's assess our dining room with a fireplace. Take note of the existing elements, including the fireplace, mantel, chimney, and hearth. We'll be working around these. To enhance the fireplace area, we'll install a beautiful fireplace surround. Above it, we have a mantel where we can display artwork and decor. On both sides, we'll add built-in shelves for both storage and decoration. For the walls, we're going to install wainscoting on the lower half to add texture and elegance. Up top, we'll add crown molding for a finishing touch. Look up! We have these fantastic ceiling beams that we'll leave exposed for a rustic touch. To brighten up the space, we'll install some elegant lighting fixtures, like a chandelier above the dining table and wall sconces for ambient lighting. Now, let's move to the dining area. Our central piece here is the dining table. Pair it with some comfortable dining chairs that match the room style. To define the dining area, we'll place a beautiful rug under the table. And for the windows, we'll add curtains or drapes, not just for privacy but also to control natural light. If you're lucky enough to have French doors in your dining room, use them to your advantage. They provide a lovely view and easy access to the outdoors. And yes, more crown molding to tie everything together. For a cozy reading nook, consider adding a window seat beneath one of the windows. It's both functional and charming. Don't forget to install a ceiling fan for temperature control. Lastly, a cabinet buffet is perfect for storage and serving during meals. Now, the finishing touches. Add artwork and decor pieces throughout the room to reflect your personal style. These items bring life and character to the space. And there you have it, our dining room with a fireplace makeover using these fantastic components. Remember, it's all about creating a space that feels inviting and suits your taste. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating!